Good morning, student. I am Devin Chaturvedi, your math teacher, and today I am starting and continue the chapter integer. So, in this video, I will cover the properties of addition of integer, which are like or unlike. So, let's start. Addition of integer. The topic is addition of integers. So, student, in this video, there are two types of addition. If the integers are like means if two positive integer or two negative integer are added, we add their absolute value and prefix the same sign. Prefix the same sign to the sum. Okay, student. So this is the method when two integers are positive or two integers are negative. For example, add plus 25 and plus 75. Look here, both the integers are positive. The rule is said we add their absolute value. So we add their absolute value and prefix the same sign. So same sign means plus. So the absolute value of plus 25 is 25. Add the absolute value of plus 75 is 75. Now add 100 and prefix the same sign of the integer. So student, I hope you will understand. This is the square bracket and the sign of prefix. If integers are positive, we put plus sign. If integers are negative, we put negative sign. Look here, another example. Add minus 35 and minus 45. The rule is same. If two integers are negative, we add their absolute value and prefix the same sign. So prefix the same sign because of the integers are negative and use square bracket, and interior of the square bracket write their absolute value of minus 35 and minus 45. The absolute value of minus 35 and add there. This is the symbol of addition and absolute value of minus 45. Close square bracket. The absolute value of minus 35 is 35 plus the absolute value of minus 45 is 45. Now prefix minus and add these values. 5 plus 5 10, 4 plus 4 8. So minus 80 is the resultant of minus 35 and minus 45. So this is the method by which we have to add two positive or two negative integer. The second rule is said either if two integers having different sign, means one is positive and other is negative. How can we add them? So rule number second, adding one positive integer and one negative integer. If integers having, this is the symbol of integer, integers having opposite sign, we find the difference, the difference of their absolute value and prefix the sign of greater number. This is the rule. You read many time and mark this. याद कर लें आप लोग. Now example, add minus 45 and 25. The rule is that we find difference of their absolute value and prefix the sign of greater number. Here is the greater number is 45. Then negative will come in front of a square bracket and difference of their absolute value. In place of addition, we find the difference. Absolute value of minus 45 and absolute value of 25. And put the sign of greater number. Greater number is 45. That's why there is a negative sign. Minus, this is 45 minus 25. We have to write the greater number in starting and the smaller number at last. Now the final result is 20 and put the sign of greater number. The greater number is 45. That's why minus 20 will be the answer of the sum of minus 45 and 25. So student, I hope you will understand this method. If you have some difficulties to find out the solution, we will discuss in our live classes. Thank you.